Barbers, we gotta talk. Sorry, y'all. It was leg day. I thought about something. We don't talk much about this being in a barbershop or even if you're in a suite. There is something that we do that we probably don't pay much attention to, but your boy Concise, I'm here to help y'all out.
CTB, you know who it is.
So I noticed some of us is kind of smart enough to have a lunch break. We take out the time to make sure we had the right nutrients, or we just take out the time to eat whatever we like. Some of us don't take much time. Some of us take 5 minutes. Some of those might take a half hour. However, when we do such things like this, I noticed something. Some of y'all breath be straight kicking. And your clients ain't gonna tell you because they wanna hurry up, get in, get out. But I'm gonna tell you the truth. So this is what I think y'all need to do. This right here that I have with me, and yes, we're talking about this. This is an electric toothbrush. This is from RANVOO. You can find this on Amazon. I'll send a direct link so you guys can definitely make sure you freshen up. But this is basically something that you might need in the studio or in the barbershop where you can easily just package this thing up, take it with you right before your client comes in. Make sure that your breath is smelling the way that it should, because honestly, I think it's disrespectful to be eating some barbecue chicken bites with some fries and then getting back without brushing your teeth, man. So we're gonna talk about this for a little bit. All right, y'all, as I just said, y'all might be thinking, why am I talking about toothbrushes? But hear me out. Oral hygiene is a part of your presentation. You know how important it is to stay fresh from head to toe. And that includes your smile and your breath. Whether you're on the shop floor or chatting with a client, having clean teeth and fresh breath is a must. So this thing is next level. It's not just a toothbrush, it's packing some serious tech to keep your mouth as fresh as the fades you're putting out. First off, it got 42,000 RPMs of power. That's like the motor on your clippers, but 10 times more. But it's for your teeth. It cleans deep, getting into those hard to reach places, but it's gentle enough to keep your gums safe, especially if you got sensitive teeth. And check this out, it has a patent wind tunnel tech that uses airflow and dense bubbles to hit your teeth in the gaps in between. Just like precision detailing with a trimmer, this thing is all about getting those tight spots clean without being harsh. It's like flossing and brushing in one move. Now that's dope. Now let's talk about the modes. You have clean, white, polished, and sensitive. Same way you adjust your clippers for different hair types, this toothbrush adjusts to fit your oral care needs. The clean mode is your go-to for everyday maintenance, but if you need to whiten or polish things up, these modes are there to level up. And if your gums are feeling a little sensitive after a long day at the shop, the sensitive mode got you. Plus, it got a 2-minute timer with 30 seconds intervals to make sure you hit all the zones in your mouth, just like when you make sure to hit every angle on your client's head for that perfect cut. As barbers, we're up close and personal all day. It's not just about looking fresh, but feeling fresh too. You could have the cleanest haircut game in the city, but if your oral hygiene isn't on point, trust me, clients notice. That's why this toothbrush makes sense, and it is an investment in yourself, just like your tools. Whether you got sensitive teeth, braces, or just want to keep your game tight, this RANVOO brush is here to help. And for those with long days in the shop, no worry, this thing has a 60-day battery life on a single charge. That's like setting your clippers down for 2 months without worrying about them dying. So here's the deal. Oral hygiene is just as important as the clippers you're using behind the chair. The RANVOO flossing brushing toothbrush is all about keeping you sharp inside out. It has the power, the tech, and the customization to keep your mouth clean, fresh, and ready for the next client. Don't slack on the details, whether if it's your cut or your smile. You know presentation is everything. In conclusion, you might want to grab this toothbrush and keep it at the shop. You also can get a discount. My discount code Barber10 to save you some money on this amazing RANVOO toothbrush. Get yours today. So y'all got all the information about this toothbrush. And honestly, if it was me, I will look into something like this. So you can make sure that your breath is right and your teeth is clean. Nobody wants to talk to a barber that just ate some mild buffalo wings or something even worse than that, getting a cut because they want to take their lunch break and eat something like that. So, sorry barbers, we had to talk about it, but a toothbrush in this matter is very important. Make sure y'all pick yours up.
CTB. You know who it is.